Excellent. How hard was that to do?
It was easier the second time after we did this.
How much is your first one, do you think, the retail cost?
This one?
Yep. Point them into the camera. How much?
I'd say it's 120.
Yeah. That was always a $65 bouquet until COVID, when prices went up, and now tariffs. This could be as high. 150. Let me see that one. This is always a $60 bouquet. It's probably 100 now.
You're going to tell us how to price it.
Yes. Oh yeah. Bravo. Good work. 3 hours in class. You're already spitting out spectacular work. That stain, hydrangea. Wow. Like your drone flying overhead. Take some aerial shots of your bouquet. Yeah, very nice.
Do I spray with this one?
That goes on your flowers, yes. Crowning Glory goes on your flowers. This green spray goes on the greens. Then line them up on your table for show and photographs to show your client. Very good.